Good afternoon, class 8 student. This is our mathematics class. Let's start. Today we will start new chapter, that is chapter number 14, and name of the chapter is Introduction to Graph. In this chapter we read about line graphs, application of line graph, linear graph, coordinates of point, and at the last we draw graph with the help of given coordinates or point. In graph, we have learned in previous classes also that we have lot of information through TV channels, newspaper and radio in the form of data. We have also learned that we can represent these data graphically on bar graph, pie chart, histogram and another. To understand them properly and quickly, here in this chapter means in Introduction to Graphs chapter, we will learn another graphical representation of data. Before that, we will discuss to locate the position of a point and plotting of the points in the plane. Means before study the draw graph with the help of coordinate, firstly we discussed what is coordinate, some quadrant, x-axis, y-axis. Let's start with our chapter. First topic is coordinate. In day-to-day life, we can across several situations when we need to describe the position of an object. ऑब्जेक्ट की पोजीशन डिक्लेयर करनी है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अदर्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी मे वॉन्ट टू नो वन सीट इन एग्जामिनेशन हॉल, one seat in exam cinema hall. In mathematics, we need a quick and easier way to describe the position of a point or object. Means if we want to describe any object's position with respect to others, let's find out. This is our quadrant. If we draw a number line and rotate it through 90 degree in anti-clockwise direction such that point P coincide. Let's take this is our point O to X, and when I rotate this axis in anti-clockwise up to 90 degree, it make another angle. It's x-axis, it's another axis. Again when I rotate it's 90 degree, again another axis create, same 3 times and 4 times. When 4 rotation cover in anti-clockwise direction, a complete XY axis formation done. Okay, let's start. First is our horizontal line. Horizontal line is x dash O x, means is called x axis. O x is our positive axis, O x dash is our negative part, and this is horizontal line, and this y is our vertical line. O y is positive, O y dash is negative. The plane along with x axis and y axis is called Cartesian plane, or you can say coordinate plane. Its complete is known as coordinate plane. The coordinate axis divided into 4 equal parts known as quadrant. Means 4 equal parts, 1 2 3 4 equal parts, and these 4 equal parts are known as quadrant. This x o y, this quadrant is our first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. Take first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. In next, your x-axis is called, or you can say x coordinate is called abscissa, and y coordinate is non-ordinate, not coordinate, it's ordinate. Y is ordinate and x coordinate is abscissa. Now point is how to read. Firstly, we write ordinate of x-axis like this point. How to read this point? 5 means this is x and 3 is 3, means firstly we write the value of x, then 3. Similarly with firstly we write the value of x, then y. Okay, let's start with our example part. Some coordinates are given. Given the coordinates of the point P, Q, R, S, T in the following Cartesian plane. Coordinates plane में some points are given. You have to write in which coordinate they are present and also name their ordinates. Okay, let's start with our P point. We know that firstly we write the value of x, then y. P point, letting x, that is minus 6. Write down minus 6, and y, that is 2. 2. And you all know that this is positive part, this positive, this is your negative, and this is negative. So P part is minus 6, 2. Come to second, that is Q. Q is, that is minus 3 and Y equals to 4. Come to next, that is R. Like it's R. In X axis, that is Y, 4 and 5, 5. Come to S part, that is 6 and 3. Okay. S के बाद U part, firstly we read S part, that is 5 and minus 2, because we know that this part is negative. Come to this point, firstly we read X value minus 3 and that is minus 4. This is all the point ordinate of P, Q, R, S, T. Then R and S in first quadrant, P and Q in second quadrant, T in third quadrant and U in our fourth quadrant. Let's check our answers. देखिए P, Q, R, S, T all points are there and R and S in first quadrant, P, Q in second quadrant, T in third quadrant and U lies in fourth quadrant. Okay, I think you understand first example of a part. Come to second example. Plot the following point in a bar graph. Verify if they lie on a line. Firstly, आपको जो points given है, you have to locate this point on your graph paper, and after that you have to verify is all these are lie on a same line or not. A, that is 4, x-axis 0 means point here. Next is your 4, 2, 4 same line, x-axis 2. Come to next 4, 6, 4, 2.5. Firstly, points firstly point all on a graph paper. Then, with the help of scale, join all the points. Similarly, with the B part and C part, you find that all the lines, first and second in a same line, but third in a rectangular shape. So, at the last, you write down points K, L, M and do not lie in the same line. Okay. Example number 3. Draw the line passing through 2 to find the coordinates. Firstly, in this question we have only 2 points, that is 2, 3. That is 2 at x-axis, 2 and 3. 2, 3. And second one is 3, 2. 2 points. And question said find the coordinates of the point at which the line meets the x-axis and y-axis. Means you have to find out the coordinate at which y-axis and x-axis our line meets. Firstly, 2 points locate कीजिए and a line draw कीजिए जो in both points से cross करेगी and stretch line in both side. You find and you get that the line meet at 5, 0 point at x-axis and 0, 5 at y-axis. In example number 4, write the coordinate of the vertex of each of these adjoining figure. You have to find out all the coordinate of this adjoining. Simply, okay, come to your exercise part. Given the coordinate of the following P points shown in the figure P, Q, R, S, T. This question is similar to example number 1 of your book. Example number 1 of your book. Firstly, आप P, Q, R, S, T की points लिखेंगे कैसे? P. What is P? That is 2, 3. And what is the value of T? T is 4 and 2.5. What is the value of S? That is 4 and minus 2. Like that. Completed. Come to second part. Plot the following points on a graph paper. Like that. Firstly, write down your question. All the points, draw your y-axis, your x-axis, that is, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in positive form is also positive, it's negative. Your first point is minus 4, 2, minus 4 for x and 2 for y-axis, minus 4 and 2 here, A point and then 3 and minus 4 that point. Okay, similarly plot all the points. Okay, And come to your question number 3rd. State the quadrant which the following points below. Firstly, you locate all the point and then find out which point is lying on which quadrant. Okay, your homework is you have to do question number 1, 2, 3 and up to 4 in your graph paper. Thank you.